Hi. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Sojit Sai and yours?
My name is Arun Mundal.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Arun Mundal. And your?
My father's name is Gita. What do you do?
I am a student. And you?
I am also a student.
What does your father do?
My father he is a tailor. And yours?
My father is a mason.
What do you live?
I live at Raipur. And you?
I live at also Raipur. What's your school's name?
Our school name is Miletown High School. And your?
Our school's name is Madhunath Badalmunia High School.
What do you do?
I am a student. And yours?
I am also a student.
When do you get up?
I get up at 10 o'clock. And you?
I get up at also 10 o'clock. In which class do you study?
I am studying class 9. And you?
I study in class also 9.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. And yours?
My favorite subject is also English.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Joint Sir. And yours?
My favorite teacher is also Joint Sir. When do you come back from school?
I come back from school at 5 p.m. Nice to meet you.